Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 3,40,000 new corona cases were reported all over India. Total number of cases was 37.03 lakhs. As of yesterday, 172.71 million Indians got vaccinated. Till now, almost 50% of the cases are reported by 5 states. They are Maharashtra, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. 533 districts in India reported over 10% positivity. A virus spread in rural areas may hit recovery further. Mumbai continued to show less than 2,000 new cases yesterday also, and total number of cases yesterday was 1,717. This is due to continuing lockdown in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Gujarat government extended night curfew from 8 pm to 6 am and some daytime restrictions till May 18 in view of increase in corona cases. Central government has informed state that they must give priority to those citizens whose second dose of vaccine is due, and 70% of the stock given by central government to state must be reserved for this purpose. National Highway Authority of India, that's the NHAI, has set ambitious target of constructing 4,600 kilometers of national highway during the current year compared to 4,192 kilometers constructed last year. This will give boost to the infrastructure industry and also reduce the travel time across various states. Hindustan Unilever Limited will give 4,000 oxygen concentrator to India to tide over the shortage of oxygen. Indian stock market shown decline yesterday after rising for almost 3 to 4 days. Yesterday, BSE Sensex closed 341 points below the previous day close and closed at 49,162 points. Rupee also shown some decline against dollar and $1 equal to 73.34 rupees. Mutual fund industries has reported that there was a decline in the equity fund inflow of 3,437 crores during the month of April compared to 9,115 crore during the month of March 2021. Siemens India, one of the leading company in India, reported 90% increase in net consolidated profit for the last quarter of 2021 compared to the last quarter of 2020. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.